how to set back tap or double tap to go back to the home screen on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in the Settings page, we scroll down and then tap on Accessibility. After that, we scroll down. Now in here, tap on Touch. Then scroll down to the bottom and tap on Back Tap. In here, you can choose double tap or triple tap. So I'm going to select double tap. Then scroll down and select Home. Finally, you can swipe up to return back to the home screen. Now to quickly go back to the home screen, you can now simply use double tap like this, and that will take you back to the home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.